uploaded by Min HP. This is called Devil Chainsaw Man versus Jason Voorhees team, Makima team. I don't know what that is. Stranger Things team compilation animation. Here we go. Now we have reacted to some of this, so I will skip over the ones we have seen. If you haven't seen it, go check it out on the channel. Drop a like, subscribe down below, and check out Min HP. That's the boy right there. Okay, what is that? Is that Gunman or something? Oh my gosh, Flamethrower Man. Katana Man. I don't know what that second one is. I don't know what that third one is. What is going on? There's just so many. What is all of this? Is that Spine Man? It's Octopus Man? Who the? You done, son. Cuddle. I don't know. I don't think I've seen this one. This is a compilation of a bunch of them, so... Jesus, that dude is... What is that? Okay, why is everything so absolutely aggressive? Oh! I didn't know Katana Man could slide like that! Yoink! He don't stand a single chance against them. Oh! Did he just have a chainsaw come out of his leg? Oh, this is... Nah, bro. You don't survive this. I know y'all just seen that. The heart looks like the little pet. Oh, no. Don't step on the heart. Yo, that was weird. Oh my god, Michael Myers, Jason Voorhees, Ghostface, and Chuckle, and Freddy, and Leatherface. Oh no, we've seen this triangle dude head thing. He's so buff though. Unleash the beast! Okay, no, y'all can't disrespect these killers like that. Because I promise you, Jason, he ain't no punk. No, dude. He's a punk. Ghostface is a punk. What is that? No way he just protected Ghostface like that. Jesus! Oh my god! Yo, that dude is annihilating them. Why is everybody splitting like that? Oh! That ain't even a real man. That's like a robot. She just ripped the fish off her head? Was that a bomb? Nuke head? What is that thing? Bang! What? Okay, there we go again. What the carnage was that? What is... Yo! Just like that? Oh no! Where did he come from? He's gonna scream. That was so easy! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! Yo, he got bigger. No way. No way SCP is like that. Flame balls? What is going on? Dude, this fight is crazy! Okay. Big Spidey Pennywise. Demons out of the throat. Oh! I tell you what, Pennywise is something else. That ain't gonna work. Into a balloon? Oh, that... Oh my god, that's Pennywise right there. I thought it like deleted him or something. That thing is a no, bro. Don't let me. I don't want to be around that thing. What is that? Cut in half? Oh! 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 They're a team! What? I mean, how big is he gonna get? Oh my What? Okay, we're gonna stop that right there. What was that? What did I just witness? Okay, we have already seen this one. This is the Stranger Things one, so I'm gonna skip over that. I'm not sure if I've seen this one right here. So we have seen the Devil Chainsaw, but it's about to change. That is so loud. Oh my gosh. Relax, my boy. Oh! Wait, I don't know if I remember this part. Yeah, I do. I think I've seen this. I remember it glitching like that too. I remember this, but I don't know if I remember the space fight. Did I see a space fight? Wait, he's going back to Earth? I think I've seen this. Hold on. I've seen so many videos, I can't remember. Yeah, I think I remember seeing his tongue do that. Yup, he popped out the chainsaw angel wings. Yeah, we've definitely seen this. But if you haven't, check this out. This is wild. Yoink! He's Godzilla all of a sudden. Oh my gosh. It's so good, even if we do rewatch it. I think there's parts of this video that I haven't seen. Not this part of this video, but the entire thing. Definitely didn't see the first part. Okay. That was insane. That whole video, it's just fighting after fighting after fighting. If you guys got any other ideas of chainsaw videos or anything you wanted me to react to, please let me know in the comments below. You made it this far. Don't forget to drop a like. Subscribe down below. Hashtag Crank Kingdom in the comments. And I'm going to see you guys in the beautiful next video. I don't know why it's beautiful. It's just this, okay? Next video.